Information about Actinidia arguta. Actinidia arguta, commonly known as hardy kiwi or kiwi berry, is a deciduous vine that is native to Asia, particularly in Japan, Korea, and parts of China. It is a close relative of the common kiwi fruit, but produces smaller, smooth-skinned fruit that are roughly the size of a grape. The fruit is edible and is typically eaten raw, although it can also be used in jams, jellies, and other culinary preparations. Hardy kiwi vines are hardy and can tolerate temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius -22 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also adaptable to a variety of soil types, including sandy or clay soils. The vines are dioecious, meaning that there are separate male and female plants, and only the female plants produce fruit. It takes about 3 to 4 years for a hardy kiwi vine to begin producing fruit. Hardy kiwi vines are often grown on trellises or other support structures to help support their growth and fruit production. They are also sometimes grown as ornamental plants because of their attractive foliage and flowers. In terms of nutritional content, hardy kiwi fruit is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin E, and fiber. It is also low in calories, with approximately 60 calories per 100 grams of fruit.